This is the platinum tier of the personal AI, employee. A two-machine, always-on system where an AI running 24 hours a day on AWS handles your business communications automatically. Look at this Git log. These are commits coming in from the cloud. The AI agent pushing activity every 15 minutes. It has never stopped. Let me show you exactly how it works. The system is split across two machines. On one side, an AWS EC2 virtual machine running 24/7. This is the cloud agent. It reads incoming emails, uses Claude AI to reason through each one, and writes draft responses into a shared folder. On the other side, your Windows machine, the local agent. It pulls those drafts from Git, presents them for your review, and when you approve, the MCP servers execute the action. Email gets sent. Invoice gets created. The two agents never talk directly. They share a Git repository, a vault of markdown files. One folder per stage, needs action. In progress, pending approval, approved, done. One notebook, two agents, one source of truth. And nothing executes without your approval. Two PM2 processes, both online. The cloud agent triages emails and writes drafts. The health monitor checks Odoo, checks disk space, and writes a heartbeat every 15 minutes to GitHub. That's how the Git log stays populated around the clock. And here is Odoo Community 17, 3 Docker containers running on the same VM PostgreSQL for the database, Odoo for the business layer, Nginx serving it over HTTPS. And here is Odoo Community running with a self-signed certificate on our demo environment. This is where invoices get created automatically by the MCP server. PM2 online, 7.4 gigabytes of disk free. Odoo healthy, overall healthy. Your AI employee never sleeps. A client emailed earlier today asking for an invoice. The cloud agent pulled that email from the vault, read it, and applied the triage rules using Claude AI. Let me show you the decision it made. Two files. The cloud agent produced a draft email reply and an Odoo invoice action. Both are sitting in pending approval. Neither has executed. The AI has done the thinking. Now it waits for me. Draft reply, written by the cloud agent. To subject body. But look at the status field, pending. Not sent. Waiting. Odoo action. Create invoice. Partner name, line items, price. Also pending. Also waiting. The AI knows what to do, but it cannot act. This is the approval gate. Approved is empty right now. Nothing executes until a human puts something here. This is the human-in-the-loop guarantee. The AI cannot move its own files. It writes to pending approval. I decide what moves forward. I've reviewed the draft reply. It's correct. I'm going to approve it now. Detected, sending, Gmail, SMTP sent, message ID confirmed, moved to done. There it is. The email is in the inbox. Subject confirmed, content correct. The MCP server sent this entirely autonomously. No human typed a word of it. One file move. That was the approval. That was enough. Approved is empty. The pipeline consumed the file and moved it to done. Clean. The client also asked for an invoice. The cloud agent prepared an Odoo action for that too. Already staged and pending approval. Same pattern. I review. The client also asked. Processing the Odoo action. Demo client. 5 days consulting at 100 each. Invoice created. ID confirmed. Link generated. Move to done. There it is. Demo client. AI strategy consulting. 500 pounds GBP. State. Draft. Created automatically by the MCP server the moment I moved that file. I didn't open Odoo once. I didn't fill in a single form field. One approval move, and the ERP system is updated. Everything is logged. Every action, every actor, every result, written to a JSON audit trail. Timestamp. Actor, action type, parameters. Approval status, approved by result. 8 fields. Hackathon compliance schema. This log is committed to GitHub with every push. Immutable, versioned, permanent. The cloud agent writes a heartbeat every 15 minutes to GitHub. If that timestamp goes stale, if the VM goes down or the process crashes, the local agent detects it and raises an alert. The system watches itself. PM2 online, disk healthy, Odoo healthy, overall healthy. Right now, at this moment, that AI is running on a server somewhere in AWS. It is reading emails. It is preparing drafts. It has been doing this all day. It will keep doing it after this recording ends. Email received, triaged by AI, approved by human, sent by MCP, invoice created in Odoo, all the way through to done, full cycle. Two agents, two machines, one Git repository. Every step versioned, auditable, permanent. That is the Platinum tier. Bronze gave us a personal assistant that reads and writes. Silver gave us social awareness. Gold gave us business automation locally. Platinum gives us something different, an AI employee that never clocks off. It runs in the cloud, it thinks with Claude, it acts through MCP servers, and it never touches your systems without your permission. That is not a demo. That is a working business tool. Platinum tier, fully operational.